Now, in our activity 5th, write the face values and place values of colored digit. Color digit, face values and place values we have to write. Here this is a color digit. 2 is a color digit. So we have to first find in which place it is. Here first digit. What is the digit? 2. Digit multiplies with place. In which place it is? Ones, tens, 100. So digit multiply with 100. Why we are multiplying with 100? So these two color digit, these two is in hundreds place. So that is why we have to multiply with 100. 2 into 100, that is equal to 200. This is the place value of the color digit. And face value, whatever the digit we have, whatever the digit, that 2 we have to write here. Then next, here 3. 3 is a color digit here. 3, so we have to take 3 first into. 3 is in ones place, so we have to multiply with 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a place value. And face value, the digit only the face value. Next, here the color digit is 8, that 8 into in which place it is. Check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have to multiply 8 with 1000. Why? Because 8 is in thousands place. 8 into 1000, 8000. 8000 and face value is 8. Next, here the digit is 5. Then first we have to take 5 into place. Ones, tens, 100. It is in hundreds place. So we multiply with 100. 5 into 100, 500. Face value is this number only, 5. Then again 5. So we have to take 5 and after that we have to check in which place it is. Ones, tens. Tens place. We have to multiply with 10. 5 tens are 50 and the face value is 5 only. Next, here the colored number is, color digit is 4. So we have to take 4 first and after that we have to check in which place it is. Ones, tens, 100. We have to multiply with 100. 4 into 100, 400. This is the place value and 4 is the place value. Next, again 4. Color digit is 4. 4. 4 is in ones place. Multiply with 1. 4 ones are 4. And here also face value 4. This is the place value and face value about our numbers. Now next activity, write the numerals in expanded form. Some numerals are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numerals we have to write in expanded form. Then how to write in expanded form? Just listen first. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 8 is in thousands place. In expanded form we have to write 8000. 8 is in thousands place, 8000. And 2 is in hundreds place, 200. And 3 is in tens place, that is 30. And one more 3 is there, that is in ones place, that is 3 only. Ones place number same. In the next, this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 2 is in thousands place, that is 2000, expanded form. Then after that 3 is in hundreds place, 300. Then after that 4 is in tens place, 40. Then 5 is in ones place, 5 same. ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 1 is in thousands place, so that is by 1000. 8 is in hundreds place, 800. Next, 3 is in tens place, 30. 4 is in ones place, 4 as it is. Next, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 6 is in thousands place, 6000. 5 is in hundreds place, 500. 3 in tens place, 30. 4 in ones place, 4. Next, again here, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 9 is in thousands place, 9000. 8 is in hundreds place, 800. 6 in tens place, 60. 5 in ones place, 5. Next, here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is in thousands place, 6000. 7 in hundreds place, 700. 5 in tens place, 50. Then 0 in ones place, that is 0. So this is our expanded form. In expanded form, if the number is in thousands place, that many thousands we have to write. It is in hundreds place, that many hundreds we have to write. And if it is in tens place, that many tens we have to write. And ones place, as it is, we have to take. Yes, now in activity 7, so write the numbers in short form. Before we wrote, what we wrote? Expanded form. The expanded form, short form, it is given in short form. So we converted short form into expanded form. Here in expanded form it is given. Then we have to write this expanded form into short form. Then how to write? Here the first one is 1000, means 4-digit number we have. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 9000. In thousands place 9. 300. In hundreds place 3. And 4 tens, that is in fours place 10. And 2 in ones place. First we have to check how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens were there, how many ones are there. Here 9000 means in thousands place we have to take 9, in hundreds place we have to take 3, in tens place we have to write 4, and in ones place we have to take 2. Then in the same way, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 7000. 400, 2 tens and 3 ones. 7423. And here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Here also same. 5000. 5 is in thousands place. 800. 8 is in hundreds place. 40 means 4 is in tens place. 2 ones. 2 is in ones place. 2 is in ones place. In the same way, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. How many thousands here? 6000. 6 is in thousands place. 600. 6 is in hundreds place. 60. 6 is in tens place. And 6 is in ones place. 6666. Now here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. How many thousand? 3000. 3000. 2 hundreds. 50. 5 tens. And 1 ones place. 1 ones place. This is expanded form. These are all expanded forms. These expanded forms we converted into short form. 4-digit numbers, all these are 4-digit numbers. First, how many thousands we have, how many hundreds we have, how many tens we have, how many ones we have. According to that, we have to write that number in that place. Now, the 7th activity, 8th activity. In this activity, the numbers increasing order increasing or ascending order. So we have to write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 numbers we have to write increasing order, that is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means first we have to take a smaller number. Smaller number we have to write smaller number first. Smaller number, before going to decide which one is smaller, we have to find, we have to calculate, we have to count number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In first number we have 4 digits. In second number 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. All are 4 digit numbers, but only one number 251. So that is a 3 digit number. 3 digit number is a smaller number. 3 digit number is a smaller than the 4 digit numbers. So here 251, this is a smaller one. Here ascending order is given, increasing order. Increasing order means first we have to take smaller and little bit bigger, biggest, in that way we have to write. Which one is smaller? 251. This is first. Then after that this is over. This is over. Then in these 3 again we have to decide which one is smaller. For that we have to check the 4th digit, that is thousands place. Here 1000, 4000, 6000. 1000, 4000, 6000. 1 is a smaller, that is 1243. 1243 will come. After 1000, 4000. So bigger than this is 4000. Next 4321 will come. Then after 4000, then 6000. 6543. Now how to decide? First we have to check number of digits. So in which number of digits are less, that is a lesser one. Then after that in equal digits we have to check thousands places. In thousands places which one is smaller, that is smaller one. So in this way we have to decide the smaller one, smaller to bigger, that is ascending order. Now in the next question, ascending order, increasing order. First number of digits we have to count in all. So this is first, second, third and fourth. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all 4 digits were there. In all these 4 digits we have to decide which one is smaller. There is no other than 4 digit number. So we have to decide which one is smaller. 5000, 2000, 3000, 5000. 5, 2, 3, 5. 2 is a smaller. This we have to take first, smaller one. 2544, this is first. Bigger than this is 3, 3210. Next 5000. In these 2 cases 5000 is there. So to check which one is smaller again, so we have to go for hundreds place. 400 and 200. 5400, 5200. 2 is a smaller. So we have to take this one first. 5243. Then at last 5463. This is the ascending order. Ascending order. When 4 digit numbers, given all are 4 digit numbers, first we go for thousands place. In thousands place which one is smaller and that one is smaller. In case if any 2 numbers, if thousands places are same, then again we go for next place, that is hundreds place. In hundreds place whatever the number is smaller, that is the smaller. In that way, so we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Next one, ascending order. Again number of digits we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. In first 4 digits, in second 4, third 4 and fourth 4. All are equal. Now we check thousands places. 3, 8, 6, 3. 3, 8, 6, 3, 3 are equal. These 2 are same. These 2 are smaller. In this smaller, if in the both thousands places 3, 3 and we go for hundreds place, 3200, 3300. 3200 is a smaller, 2 is a smaller. So we take first 3210. Then after that 3311. After completing 3000, 6000 is a smaller. 6541. After 6000, 8000. 8352. In this way we have to write. Then ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. In 4 numbers, all are 4-digit numbers. Then we check first thousands place. 4, 4, 4, 5. In 4, 4, 4, 5, 4 is a smaller. In 4, so 3, 4 thousands were there. In this again we have to check which one is smaller. For that we go for hundreds place. 4400, 4200, 4300. 4200 is a smaller. First we have to take smaller one. 4261. Then 300. 4321. Then 4410. Next 5000. 5546. In this way we have to write which one is smaller and which one is bigger. First we have to count number of digits, in which if number of digits were less, say that is the lesser one, and if equal digits were there, we go for thousands places, in which thousands places bigger value is the bigger number and smaller value in thousands places is a smaller value. If in thousands places equal values are there, equal numerals are there, then we go for to check hundreds places. In hundreds place, which one is a smaller? That number is a smaller. Now, in our ninth activity, so this is a vice versa of the previous activity. So here descending order, decreasing order given. Decreasing order means bigger to smaller. First we have to take bigger number. Descending order. Bigger number we have to take. First number of digits we have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4, number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here only in 110 3 digits were there, that is the least value. First we have to take bigger. For bigger we go for thousands places. 3000, 3000, 8000. 8000 is a bigger. 8530 first, the bigger one. Next, smaller than this is 3000. 3000 we have two numbers, such type of numbers we have two such type of numbers. In these two we have 3000, here 3000. And for decide which one is bigger, again we go for hundreds place. Here 200, here also 200. Again we go for tens place. In tens place 1 is there and in tens place 4 is there. 1 and 4, 4 is bigger. So we have to take 33,245. Then after that 3,210. Then the smaller one. The smaller one, 3-digit number is the smaller. That is 110. 110. In this way we have to write smaller. Means bigger to smaller. Descending order. Descending order is a vice versa of ascending order. Again, the next question, descending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals are given. In these 4 numerals, all are 4-digit numbers. Now we have to decide which one is smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. Then in thousands place, 7,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000. 7523, 7 is a larger. This we have to write first. 7,465. After 7, 5,000 will come. 5,463. After 5, 3,000. 3,321. After 3,000, 2,000. In this way we have to write from bigger to smaller. Then descending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all are 4-digit numbers. Then thousands place we have to check. 2,000, 1,000, 3,000, 4,000. 4,000 is bigger. 4,000, 456. Next after 4000, 3000. 3564. After 2000, 2104. Then 1042. 1042. In this way we have to arrange. Next, the last question. Descending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals, 4 digit numerals. Then we have to check which one is greater. Thousands places first. 9,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000. 9,000 is a bigger. 9,564. After 9,000, 7,000. 7,530. After 7, 6,320. Then after 5,250. This is already in the order only it is given. Order only it is given. This is descending order, decreasing order. Here in this question, Raju and Rani are two friends. Raju's mother gave 50 rupees to Raju. Then Raju already have rupees 3,240 rupees he is having already. Then what would Raju have if he adds 50 rupees to 3,240? Here 3,240, first I want to explain the successor and predecessor of 3,240. Successor means very next number, very next number. After 40, 41 will come. That is 3,241. This is the successor. This is the successor of 3,240. And predecessor means before number. So 3,239. This is the before number. 39, 40, 41. Successor, predecessor means before number. Successor means very next number. Very next number. Successor. This is the successor and this is the predecessor. 3,240 successor. Successor is very next number. Predecessor. Predecessor, before number. So this is the definition of successor and predecessor. Remember this, successor means very next number. What number will come very next? That is the successor. Before means one number before, means whatever number comes before the particular number, given number. So that is the predecessor of that number. Now here in our problem, so Raju is having already rupees 3,240. This many rupees he is having already, and more 50 rupees his mother gave. More 50 rupees, and more 50 rupees if his mother will give them. So what is the total money Raju have with him? Then add these two. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And these two as it is, and these three like this. We have to add like this. Don't add like this. 3, 2, 4, 0, 50. Don't take 50 like this. Don't take your 50 like this. So this is ones place and this is tens place. Ones place should always below the ones place, and tens place is always below the tens place. We have to take like this and we have to add. Don't keep your 50 like this. Don't write your 50 like this. 3, 2, 4, 0, 50. This is also not correct. Ones place we have to write exactly below to that ones place only. And tens also we have to write tens place exactly below the tens place only. Then after only we have to add. So 3,290. After in 50 rupees, then Raju have 3,290 rupees with him. This is total amount. Now, if I ask what is the successor of 3,290, successor means we have to add 1, that is plus 1. So that is 3,291. If we add plus 1, then we get successor. If we subtract minus 1, then we will get predecessor. 3289. 89 is the predecessor and 91 is the successor. So 3290 successor is 3291 and predecessor is 3281. Successor means very next number, predecessor means before the number.